Say hi, Daddy. We miss you. Hi. Say hi. Can you say hi? Can you give Daddy a smile? Yeah. Hi, Quentin. Hi, buddy. Can you give Daddy a smile? Huh? You say hi? Yeah. Say we love you, Daddy. We love you. Can't wait for you to get home. Yes. Yeah. You tell him. Yeah. MJ. Silly boy. Quentin. We gotta say goodbye to Daddy, or else it's gonna get too long. I love you, baby. Hope you're having a good night.